we got another meal.
Yes, we has pasta.
It is right here. $8. We got our avocado steak, you feel me? Ha! Oh. Avocado is delicious.
It is.
Bro, forgot all about the gift. The gift of nature. That's okay.
Pinky's out.
Ooh. I mean, holy guacamole.
I have to say, these are the best burping sodas there is.
Oh my god, y'all.
I taste it.
Oh, that was nasty. See what happens when you come in our house and you're live. You want to see?
You can go your own way.
So y'all, how do you like your pasta cooked or uncooked? I'm climbing the wall. I can't get out the box. Oh!
You won't fucking die. That's what's so irritating. Oh no, did you think you back? Yeah, I don't want to do it.
No!
You did!
Do it. Y'all want to see a dead fly? Oh my god! Oh, poor thing! No!
And there's another!
Kill him!
Who have I become? I don't even know who I am anymore. Where did he go?
2+ on the bodies on the flies.